Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add the 50 SMA on cTrader. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open cTrader, then go to this F icon here at the top. Click on Find Indicator and type SMA. Then choose this one, Simple Moving Average, because SMA stands for Simple Moving Average. Now let's click on it and go to period, change 14 to 50. Okay, we have here lines, we have the color here. You can choose any color you want. For example, I will choose red, and we have here the type of the line, and we have here the thickness of the line. So I will choose, for example, 4 and click on OK. Now this is our 50 SMA. As you can see, we have here simple moving average, close 50, the color is red. Okay, and that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.